Hi, my name is Sally Lloyd-Davis. I'm a Community Engagement and Development Manager at South Denbighshire Community Partnership based in Canolfan, Carwyn. During the COVID-19 crisis, we were able to secure funding from various different sources to be able to implement our community response support here in the Denbighshire area. The funding secured included funding from the Clocaenog Windfarm Fund, Conway Voluntary Council, Cadwyn Clwyd, WCVA, Denbighshire County Council, Comic Relief, and the National Lottery Community Fund. We also received kind donations from our local community councils, local organisations and members of our community. Thanks to all of these funders and donations, we were able to implement and adapt our services to include the following. We recruited and trained new volunteers. We were able to secure PPE equipment, implement a new IT system. We introduced a community helpline, a telephone buddy befriending service. We also introduced a prescription and shopping delivery service. We were able to increase our Meals on Wheels provision, and we were able to adapt our food bank provision to include fresh produce in our community food hampers. We were also able to deliver at-home wellbeing art and craft packs, virtual family sessions, cooking demonstrations and packs for the families. To date, we have supported over 290 people in the Denbighshire area. We have delivered 340 prescriptions, 248 shopping deliveries, 70 food bank and food hampers, 1,487 Meals on Wheels. We have made 313 telephone buddy calls, and we have recruited and trained over 20 new volunteers, plus our existing volunteers and staff. So we would like to say a heartfelt thanks to all of the funders and donations that we have had made to us, and to our volunteers and our community for your ongoing support and belief in us. Diolch yn fawr iawn.